Moral development is about how people learn to decide what is right and wrong. This learning starts in childhood and continues through life. It involves understanding rules, developing values, and making decisions based on these values. Why is moral development important? Moral development is important because it helps us make good choices. It guides our actions and helps us interact positively with others. With strong moral development, people are more likely to act in ways that are fair, kind, and just. The stages of moral development. Psychologists have studied how people develop morals. One well-known theory comes from Lawrence Kohlberg. He identified 6 stages of moral development, which are grouped into 3 levels. Level 1, pre-conventional morality. Stage 1, obedience and punishment. At this stage, children think of right and wrong based on punishments and rewards. They follow rules to avoid punishment. Stage 2, individualism and exchange. Here, children recognize that others have different needs and perspectives. They act in their self-interest, but understand fairness in a limited way. Level 2, conventional morality. Stage 3, good interpersonal relationships. At this stage, people act to gain approval from others. They want to be seen as good and follow rules to maintain relationships. Stage 4, maintaining social order. People begin to understand the importance of laws and rules for the good of society. They follow laws to maintain order and support the community. Level 3, post-conventional morality. Stage 5, social contract and individual rights. People start to see that laws are based on social contracts. They believe in individual rights and understand that rules can change for the greater good. Stage 6, universal principles. At the final stage, people follow internal principles of justice, even if they conflict with laws and rules. They act based on ethical principles that apply to everyone. Influences on moral development. Several factors influence how morals develop. These include family. Parents and guardians are often the first to teach right and wrong. School. Teachers and peers also play a big role in moral development. Society, culture, religion, and media influence our understanding of morals. Experience. Personal experiences and challenges help shape our values and ethics. Criticisms of Kohlberg's theory. While Kohlberg's theory is influential, it has some criticisms. Critics say that it's too focused on justice. Some argue that it ignores other values like care and compassion. It's based mostly on boys. Kohlberg's original research was done with boys, so some say it might not fully apply to girls. Cultural bias. The stages reflect Western values and may not fit other cultures.